This is how we import dataset from the RStudio. You click import dataset from, on my end, my dataset is in Excel. Then I will click browse. From there I'll move to where location where my dataset is. It is there, UAE. I'm importing it. Of course it will be depicted here in the data preview. So I've realized that my dataset is invalid. I'm going to choose another dataset. Let me browse another dataset again. Let me click sample data. It will work because it is on the correct format. So it will be previewed here in the data view, whereby you will see it display perfect. Then you click import. Yes, so I have 11 observation here. Then we have 4 variables. What are the 4 variables? The first variable is age here, followed by the weight, followed by the height, followed by the gender. So I'm going to attach that particular dataset. Attach. I open the bracket. I write the name of my dataset, which is sample data. Yes, correct. Then I click enter. So there's an error. I must ensure that I write it correctly. Let me proceed. Attach. Let me write it again. Attach sample underscore data. Yes, sample data. Attach sample data. Correct. It is already depicted. So I want to get the summary. Age. I want to know the number of males and the number of females. Summary of age. It is not found, meaning that I don't have the variable of age. I did not indicate that particular dataset correctly. So let me maybe look for the height. Summary of height. Yes, correct. We have minimum value 37.0, first quartile 44.5, median 50.0, mean 50.18, third quartile 53.50, maximum 66.00. I want to also look at the summary. On the summary of weight. The reason why it is writing this is because I wrote a wrong spelling, so you must ensure that you indicate the correct spelling while doing that. Weight, that is the correct spelling, so you will be able to get whatever we want. So I've written weight, but you can still see it means that it could not find function summary, meaning that here in my weight, the data set here is not valid. Data set is not valid, so it must be valid, meaning that you need to clean your data first before you get the correct analysis. So let me see if my gender data set is fine. So summary of gender. Correct. We can see gender. Mean is 0.5455. Third quartile is 1.00. Maximum is 1.00. First quartile is 0.00. Minimum 0.00. So you must always ensure that your data set is well packed. It is cleaned effectively, so that during the coding you are able to avoid these particular errors. So how do we then delete all these? We click edit, we click